Join me in listening to and in hearing the powerful sounds of girls and women in STEM.
We're going to be taking a quarter of an hour. So after we gathered our data and took our tests, we found that while there are multiple materials that might be good for automotive wheels, they definitely all have different applications.
One of the things I really liked about the STEM program was the building model of the coronavirus. I really liked that, and that was very, very artistic. That we were able to make a model of the virus that is basically infecting our community, and it really helped me to see how the coronavirus latches onto the cells. So I really like that, and God bless you all. And really, the STEM program is a good place to learn about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Hi everyone, I'm Hilda Ramirez, and my research is about college students' approach to order of operation math problems. So this research was inspired by an online math problem, which led me to a YouTube video, and I just saw different answers in the comment sections. And so later I thought to myself, who is commenting on all these answers that people are arguing over? Hypothesis was created based on literature reviewed. My observations led me to test students on campus to display their knowledge of PennDOS.
I drew a line. And yours is like...
So which one was it? Leave me alone. I mean, well, if we do that, we're just going to have to figure out a way for the person.
Okay, so now we're going to move into an introduction to derivatives part 1. So scientific context is as follows. Derivatives are relevant to many different areas in STEM disciplines. For example, in chemistry, the rate at a given moment, meaning the instantaneous rate, is given by the derivative of the concentration of a substance with respect to time. More specifically, the instantaneous rate in chemistry is the slope of a line tangent to the curve of a concentration, meaning the amount of solute per volume of solution, like molarity, which has units of moles per liter, versus a time curve, for example, given in seconds at a particular point, where as the time is shortened and the change in concentration is evaluated, we come closer to the instantaneous rate, where the rate would or could have units of moles per liter second. Also, we can use derivatives to evaluate relationships between position, velocity, and acceleration.
Do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2. Do it. Oh my God! Woo! Not bad. Not
Dr. Boko approached me and told me that she felt I would be a good, it would do well to apply for the REU. I know that I think I applied for both Engaged and IKES in the same run, because they're basically the application pool is the same for them, and then you just kind of get assigned to one or the other. I got assigned to the engaged pool. So this is for Wake Forest University, WSSU, and then the medical school also had Wake Forest Medical School also was involved. And basically what we did over the summer was we spent, I want to say it was May, like 3 months learning about the research process, also receiving training and certifications for lab work, really because that's what we would have needed to do in order to work in the labs. But because of the pandemic, we were unable to A, live on the campus where we were supposed to be living, B, to work with like rats in the lab and stuff like that. At the end, so like throughout the time, we were assigned to different mentors. My mentor is from WSSU, and we basically designed studies that mine had to do with the musical influence on skin conductivity and emotional frequency in type 2 diabetes. So that's because my mentor's work was in biophysics and music and how the body responds and different like cells respond to music. So we did that. We had a few criteria on a rubric to follow, and at the end we were to put together an oral presentation.
Did everybody see this in your bag? Yes? Okay. This is a bonus. It says Science for All in English and in Spanish. Who speaks Spanish?
Me.
Can you say Science for All in Spanish?
Ciencia.
Yes, thank you. Wait, did you finish it? You just said science, right?
Yes.
Say Science for All.
Ciencia para todos.
Gracias. All right. Let's see who's here.
Hello, my name is Precious Castillo, and I'm a graduating student at Forsyth Tech. After Forsyth Tech, I plan to major in biochemistry. So it's basically biology plus chemistry together, and that's what I want to do. I want to be a research scientist in the future. So it's nice to meet you all. Thank you.
What you do matters. Anytime you plant a seed in a young mind, oh my goodness, the growth is phenomenal. You may never see it, but that seed was planted and it will take root and it's going to produce something somewhere.
Leave without saying, Forsyth Tech, yeah, how you feeling? I'm feeling fantastic. I'm feeling terrific. I'm feeling fine. I use my mind.